Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. Today I'm going to be making a magnet pickup tool out of some of this beautiful Bethlehem olive wood. Now, YouTube is not my full-time job, obviously. I've just gotten started just a couple of months ago, and what I do for a living is I work at a auto manufacturing plant and I do industrial maintenance. So a magnet pickup tool is pretty handy for me because I had a tendency to drop stuff from here and there. So it's a really handy tool to have in my shirt pocket. So today, that's what we're going to be making on Adam's Workshop. All right, everybody, the project is complete and it turned out looking really, really awesome. I did have two mistakes though that I wanted to point out. First one was on my drill press, I forgot to tighten down the table when I was drilling out the blanks, and so I ended up drilling one of them off center. But there was still just enough meat left on it to be able to get it turned down well, and it came out looking really, really awesome. The Bethlehem olive wood is just a really pretty wood. I made one other mistake, and that was when it came time to turn, I also used the wrong blank. So my blank is a little bit thinner in diameter than it should be, but it's not going to affect the usability of the tool or even the looks of it. If I didn't say anything, you probably would never even know it. But it's all good. It's a learning experience, and that's what we're here for. All right, everybody. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more, watch this video over here. And if you want to learn more about Jesus, watch this video over here. I'll see y'all again next time in the workshop.